All right. Hey, y'all. So it's time for a little sugar mama in your life. And this time is for the fellas. You hear me? It's for y'all. I have 4 fragrances that are perfect for you all. Now, I know sugar mama, we think for, the sweets, the florals, the very feminine fragrances, but she has some that y'all need to pick up. They're very inexpensive. They will add and enrich your collection. And if you're doing Middle Easterns, come on and support this Black owned, woman owned fragrance house in America. All right, so let's talk Sugar Mama for the men. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Bali. This is a wood. This is a exotic wood fragrance. It has notes of cedar wood. It has teak in it. It has patchouli. It is a very just real earthy vibe, but it is so just head turning. It's so just laid back BDE because it's giving that BDE energy. So as they like to say, main character, but you that laid back in the cut main character that doesn't have to impress anybody, just living your best life. And when you walk through, people are like, ooh, he smells good, but they can't pick it because they've never smelled it. Next up is patchouli and spiced honey. This is perfect right now in the wintertime in the cold because this is giving you that rich, spicy, honeyed fragrance, but it's not too thick and sweet. It's just perfect. And then it has the patchouli, it has some woods in it. It's very just black tie. It's giving work, like working corporate. It's giving corporate where you're giving them a vibe without being too much. Because listen, we go to work and we want to smell good too. This will be a vibe without smelling too much. And because she has different formulations, like you can get the spray, the fragrance, the perfume, or you can have the oil and just carry this with you to refresh. Come on now. Come on now. Now, this is Slow Burn. Now, this is inspired by Killian's Smoking Hot. She doesn't have a lot of inspired fragrances, but she does have a few. And this is one that is inspired by Smoking Hot. This is a smoky vanilla with a hint of apple in it and with oud to really take it, to really elevate it and to make it really a very sophisticated fragrance. Um, this is giving off, and let me say this, male and female, this is unisex. I have tested it on women. Women love this scent too, but I would love to smell it on a man because it just gives off this it exudes go party. It not party, but this is definitely a date night fragrance. I would love for men to go out with me smelling this. Or if I was someplace out like at a restaurant and walk past a man smelling like this would definitely turn my head and I'd have to see if he was with somebody because if he wasn't, he would definitely get a compliment that night. So this is Slow Burn, which is inspired by Smoking Hot by Killian. Now I have this in the body butter, but like I said, with Sugar Mama, you can get it in any formulation. And this is called Hot Autumn. Now, of course, fellas, get past the imagery, her graphics on some of these, and just get them. This, if you like spicy, if you want something extremely spicy with hints of vanilla and woods, it has a really good balance on the woods and the spices and the vanilla. This is it. This is perfect. And listen, get this because this will go with all of your spicier fragrances. It will definitely enhance them. It has sandalwood in it. What else does it have in it? It has honey, exotic spices. So yeah, you wear spicy fragrances, you need this. Okay, the last one, and I guess I have 5, not 4. This is oud and incense. This is oud, black pepper, incense, and lavender. It's something about this that is giving just dark, mysterious, just I want to listen to you talk. You know what I'm saying? And what I mean by that is, sometimes you are attracted to somebody, and it's not just on a I want to, you sexy, but I want to hear what you think. Oud and incense would make me want to like just sit there and hear him talking. Hopefully he's talking something that I want to hear. Just having like a really just intellectual conversation, that kind of thing. Not surface, not shallow, but like having just like a really interesting conversation. This is what I would want him to smell like. Oud and incense right here. All right, so this isn't a long video. I hope I've given you some fragrances to think about and to go ahead and try some Sugar Mama, my gentlemen. You will be surprised with some of these fragrances that she had that would be perfect for you to wear. Gentlemen, I'm out. As always, be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Talk to you later.